Still relying on paper process for operators to capture information that might not be a part of the main product's process? Are you struggling with accuracy of operators documenting or remembering to document non-BOM or non-standard bill of materials in your production process? I'm Michael Jewson. I'm a senior solution architect at Engineering Industries Excellence. I've helped manufacturers in all industries roll out SAP Digital Manufacturing in complex and regulated environments. One recurring challenge we see is ensuring that operators on the shop floor are properly documenting their process steps and recording important data as it occurs. This includes non-standard bill of material components that are being added during the production process. This could be due to the testing of the solution and needing to add additional materials to dilute the final solution. Another concern is outdated paper work instructions on the shop floor. With the work instructions digitally online, we can ensure that the correct version or revision is always displayed to the operator. In one of our projects, we leveraged the SAP Digital Manufacturing work instruction list and the material consumption modules to ensure that operators were following the documented business processes and allowing them to add additional materials based on those processes at the phase in the manufacturing process. The result was invaluable by management, quality, and the procurement team to ensure that the additional non-BOM data is collected and the materials inventory was adjusted properly. Here we will show from the operator's perspective the production operator dashboard or pod that contains a shop order awaiting to be completed at the phase in this process. The operator will review the work instructions assigned at this phase in the manufacturing process by going to the work instruction list and selecting the appropriate work instruction. As you can see, the operator is required to perform a check weight of the solution by drawing a sample, running a calculation, then based on that calculation, add water, which is a non-BOM component based on the results as required. Now the operator will select the Material Consumption tab and press the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner to add the consumed material. Within this pop-up, the operator will select and search or scan for the material of water. Here we will add 1 liter unit and press the confirm button. By following the documented business process, the operator has added the required amount of the water in the production process phase. The water, which was not currently a part of the bill of material, has been documented and the inventory has been adjusted accordingly. One thing I always recommend is to leverage technology to reduce the paper work instructions on the shop floor that might be out of date, damaged, or misplaced, as well as the ability to capture the business process that you have in an easy, self-guided method to document additional materials that are added to the final product that will, in the end, increase the overall quality of your product. The SAP Digital Manufacturing solution you just watched was based on a customer-specific business process and might be different based on your own business processes. If your business process is different, we would certainly like to review and help your company achieve your goals utilizing SAP Digital Manufacturing. That's a quick take from the field. Follow us for more insights from our engineering index experts.